Hi everyone, thank you for watching AA Beauty. I am Alicia, and in today's video I'm going to do a hair tutorial showing you how to get these waves using the Bedhead Away We Go waver. As an added bonus, I'm going to show you some of my favorite things that are going to be at the Ulta Gorgeous Hair event. Ulta Beauty is having their Gorgeous Hair event every day until October 26th. They're featuring different hair care products for 50% off. And the waver is going to be on sale on Thursday, October 10th. Before we get into the tutorial, let me tell you a little bit about the waver. This is the Bedhead Away We Go waver. It has adjustable settings on the level of wave you want. You can get a very deep wave, or you can adjust it down to have just a slight wave. It also has two buttons on the inside where you can choose your heat setting. It goes all the way up to 400 degrees. It is tourmaline and ceramic, which I know I probably said that wrong, so please forgive me, but that makes the curl frizz free. Now let's get into the tutorial. So I left the top part of my hair so I could demonstrate for you guys. Just gonna brush this out. I'm going to spray it first with a heat protectant, and this is Good Behavior from IGK. It says keratin-like treatment in a can for 24-hour frizz control. It's very important. And 450 degree heat protection. So I'm going to spray the front and the back. So now I'm just going to grab a section here and just clip this out of the way. I'm just going to clamp it on the hair and go all the way down. I prefer to have the tongs facing down, but that is straight heat right there. So you want to be very careful. If you're worried about burning yourself, then flip it onto the plastic side. Now, one point I want to make is that you never want to pull the hair like this. You want to lift your hand up so that the wave is going up like this. You don't want to pull it straight because that's defeating the purpose of getting the curl. So I'm going to put it like this and hold it up, and then go down, hold it up. And because it's on such a high setting, 3 seconds is all you need to get that wave, and you can see how beautiful that looks. Just spray it with some hairspray very lightly on that piece, and there you go. You could use a thick piece of hair, or you could even separate this and just do 2 separate pieces. It's just really up to you. I just do it randomly. I don't really have like a method for how much hair I use at a time. So I'll show you again. Clamp it down, holding it up, not pulling it tight. Make sure it's up a little bit. Be careful of your head though, don't burn yourself. And I move it down and hold the hair up. So I hope that that makes sense when I say clamp it down and you're kind of holding your hand up. So you're not pulling the hair like this, straightening out that wave. So that's all for the hair tutorial. Now I'm going to get into showing you some of my favorite products that are going to be featured during the Ulta Beauty Gorgeous Hair event. So like I said, the waver is going to be on sale on Thursday, October 10th, and it's going to be $19.99. That's 50% off from $39.99. So it's a great deal. So on Saturday, October 12th, the It's a 10 Silk collection is going to be 50% off. I've used the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner before, and I absolutely love it. I don't have it to show you, but I just wanted to mention that because that's one of my faves for sure. Monday, October 14th, the wet brush is going to be on sale. Now, this one is the one that I have. This is not the one that's going to be on sale, but I just wanted to show you that they all have very similar bristles to them. They just have different designs and stuff. So I absolutely love this. This really works well to brush out your hair while it's wet. The Flex paddle brush is going to be 50% off online only. So I just wanted to mention that to you because I love the wet brush line. Thursday, October 17th, the Eva NYC Main Magic Collection is going to be 50% off. It excludes kits, but I have this Main Magic 10-in-1 primer and it's fantastic. The Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer Spray is for all hair types, and it detangles, it reduces frizz, it strengthens, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and protects against thermal and UV damage. It has a very fine spray. You just shake it up and spritz it onto damp hair. It has argan and sunflower seed oil. And I also just wanted to mention that it is safe for color, keratin, and Brazilian treated hair, free of sulfates, parabens, phthalates, sodium chloride, and artificial colors. It has all of the photos right there. I'll see if I can zoom in on that for you so you can see all that. It's a great deal. I really like it. Next, on October 20th, all of the Chi hair care products are going to be 50% off, along with their 1-inch titanium irons. Remember, these are just one day only, so you have to either get in the store or purchase online. This is a great straightener, and I highly recommend it. On Wednesday, October 23rd, the entire line of Sebastian products are going to be 50% off. This is their dry shampoo. It's not my favorite dry shampoo, but it gets the job done. And I absolutely love, love, love the Sebastian hairspray, the one in the black bottle or the one in the white bottle. They have different levels of hold, so it just depends on if you want something lightweight or if you want something really strong. I absolutely love their hairspray, so I will definitely be getting that on Wednesday, October 23rd. So since we're already talking about hair care, I just wanted to throw in a couple of extra of my hair care favorites. The Jet Lag Invisible Dry Shampoo from IGK. This stuff is amazing because it really is invisible. The reason why I love it so much is because it does not leave that white residue in your hair. And it smells good. It says that it erases mild dirt and oil with finely milled volcanic ash, reviving your hair and scalp without leaving it dry or brittle. Most dry shampoos you would definitely see a white residue, but do y'all see anything? Nope. It is absolutely invisible. So I love that. Another thing that has made a comeback is the scrunchie. I love these. So this one is the Invisibobble. I got this one because it's that pretty velvet, so that's just perfect for like the fall and winter months that are coming up. It's pink, it's so cute. Jason Momoa, remember he was on the red carpet with his pink one, so had to get one. The Invisibobble is that telephone cord looking thing. You young kids probably don't even know that reference. I don't know how to explain it, but it's that spiral looking material, so it doesn't leave creases and dents in your hair. So it's that inside of the scrunchie. So love these because they're less damaging to the hair, and it's just cute, isn't it? I love it. Last but not least, the clips also made a comeback. These are some of my favorites. I got these at Ulta, but you can get them probably anywhere. And they're just like, you just press down. I'll go ahead and put some in my hair. And then you just push it down. Isn't that cute? I love it. So that's all for today's hair tutorial / hair care favorites. Don't forget to check out the Ulta Beauty Gorgeous Hair event going on now until October 26th. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like it and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And I love you. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.